how to check Snapchat solar system. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today, I'm going to show you how to check your Snapchat solar system. It's a quick and easy process, so let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Snapchat app. So once you're there, tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of the screen and this will take you to your profile page. Now, here, tap on custom story expiration. So this is what takes you to the premium site. And then scroll down and here you'll find solar system. So just tap on it and then you can see if you are in a best friend's orbit through the solar system. So you might be wondering what that means. So if you hit next, you can see that you can subscribe to Snapchat Plus for just $1.99 a month. You'll see a best friend's badge with a gold ring around it on someone's profile if you check their solar system. So the solar system ranks your friends based on how often you snap or chat with them. The order goes from Mercury, the closest, to Neptune, the farthest. So you can see who you interact with the most. So you can also check it on Snapchat support on Google. And that's it. I hope this helps you navigate your Snapchat solar system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.